Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing about select query and inner join in SQL. Let's check our 10th question to do this. In our 10th question, we are asked to create a database for Cabot Central College. I have already created my database, so now let's talk about the relationship between the tables. The relationship between all the tables will be a one-to-many relationship. For example, when we take the grade and student table, a student can only be in one grade at a time, but in a grade there can be many students. So the student table will be the many side and the grade table will be the one side. Now let's create the relationships between them. Now we have successfully created the relationships between tables. Let's add this to our HeidiSQL. After adding the database to HeidiSQL, first we have to insert the data into our tables. First we have to fill the data in the foreign tables before going to the student table. First I'm going to go to the grade table. The ID will be automatically added to the database because we have given auto increment for that. Next, let's add data to our transport and the village tables. Now we can add the data to our student table. We are done with inserting data to our database. Now let's check our question. In our first question, we are asked to select all the details of the students who study in grade 6. Let's see how to do this. First we have to write select all from Cabot School .student. Then we have to filter out the student from grade 6. But when we say where the grade is equal to 6, we get an error called unknown column grade in where clause. It is because we have only given the student table in our query. To find the grade, we have to also include the grade table to our query. This is where the inner join is used. So to do this, we can write select all from Cabot School .student, inner join, grade on grade.id is equal to student.gradeid, where the grade is equal to 6. Now when I execute this query, we can get the details of the student who study in the grade 6. Now let's move on to our next question. In our next question, we are asked to find birthdays of the students who come from Padaviya by bus. To do this, we have to connect the transport table, the village table and the student table in our query. Now when we execute the query, we can get the birthday of the students who come from Padaviya by bus. And in our last question, we have to find the name of the students who study at grade 9 and come from Mihintale on foot. To this, we have to connect all 4 tables in our query. Since we have to find the names, we can select the birthday to name in the query. After executing the query, we can get the names of the students who study at grade 9 and come from Mihintale on foot. So to get data from many tables in one database, we can use the inner join and connect the tables together in the query. With this, we are done with the question set 10. This will be the ending of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.